Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment we have this Topdon JS1200 jump starter. It's a pretty handy piece of kit. Go over the things. It comes with a flashlight built in, so you hold the button for a few seconds and it will come on. It's one of the handy features of it. It also has a DC out port, and this is the end where the charging ports are kept and the actual charger. So this bit here is where you connect your jumper leads. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And then you also have a USB quick charge and a 2 amp USB A connector for charging up your phones and devices, which is pretty handy if you're stuck in the car and you haven't got, say it's not a battery related issue, but you are waiting for recovery like I was the other week. And yes, it's really handy to charge your batteries on your phones and stuff like that. This will also charge your battery from 0 to 80% in 35 minutes, it says, so that's pretty impressive if it can do that. I haven't tested that feature out, but I will let you know in the future. And then it's got its own USB-C charging, so it charges with a USB-C lead. It does come with one of those. I'll show you that in just a minute when I show you the other cables and accessories it comes with. Yeah, overall, nice compact shape. It does come with a really nice carry case, which I'll show you in just a moment. So here's the carry case that it comes with. You can see to keep everything neat and organised and all together. So obviously the battery pack jump starter comes in it. You also get inside it, once you get this packaging open, a little instruction manual. Always useful to read the instructions on things. And then we also have this lovely USB A to USB C charging cable. Pretty effective. It just plugs into this part here on the battery pack. I don't know what I so difficult for me to say. It just plugs in like that, and then you can charge it up. It don't take too long to charge this unit either, I should mention that. Like I said, if you want to charge something, for instance my phone takes USB-C, so if I quickly plug this into here, and let me get it in, and grab my phone, and turn it on, there we are, and then it's charging. It'll take 55 minutes till full. Not too bad at all. I don't know how clearly you can see that on the thing. That's a pretty handy feature of it. Charge the phone as well as jumpstart your car. But back to the case now. What else is inside it? You have the jump leads themselves and the connector. So you get a positive red and a negative black, and then you have this lovely connector, which is a one-way only connector. So it can only go one way into here to stop reverse polarity. You've also got a warning if you connect your battery the wrong way on here. And on here there's a little button called boost. You have to press that if your battery's completely flat. And that'll just give it enough power to power the stuff like your injectors and the electronics whilst you're trying to jump it. Really important. And they said it'll make a buzzing noise too if it's connected the wrong way round. And yeah, to plug it in, all you have to do is simply push it in like that, and that connects it. Keep these apart now because they are live. And yeah, when you're ready, let me quickly switch that around. Just press this boost button and then you're away. All you have to do is go jump start the car. Press this button here and you're off. I'll show you in action in just a moment. Here we are outside with the jump starter all set up. You're connecting the positive terminal to the positive terminal and then the negative to the negative. And let me get the camera set up after I press the boost button here to get the boost all going. The battery completely flat, but with the boost you should make it start quite quickly, as you'll see. While I'm walking around the car, I'll just tell you that this jump starter can start up to 6.5 litre petrol cars or 4 litre diesels. So there's a pretty wide range of cars to start. And in a few moments you'll see the car starting up. Should be about now. Took me a while to get in and get it all set up, but as you can see, considering it's a one person job, it's not too bad. If you had 2 people this will be a lot quicker. But as you can see, it's started up now. And here I come back round to disconnect the battery jump starter pack. So first of all, disconnect the negative. Always take the negative off first and the positive off. And as you can see, the pack's all done. And there's still plenty of charge left in it to jumpstart some other cars. And now you've seen it in action. I'd just like to put your attention to a bit of instructions on the bottom here as well on how to thing. It does say do not press the boost button before connecting the car battery, quite a handy thing to remember. So we've got a little bit of instructions, you can pause it and have a quick look at this if you want. As you also mentioned, when it does jumpstart a vehicle, it does take about 25% of the power out of the battery pack, so you'll get 4 jumps out of this, at least on the vehicle I jump started, which was a 1.2 litre Suzuki, which I forgot to mention in the last part of the video. So before we get into my final thoughts on this tool, I've started a new feature on the channel. I'm going to give all the tools I use a rating out of 5. I'm going to use spanners because we don't use stars here because we're a tool channel. But yeah, so between 1 to 5 spanners, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. See how the tools line up. But for this particular one, I'm going to give it a 4 spanner rating. You'll see the spanners appear in front of you now, hopefully. And yeah, I really do enjoy using this jump starter pack. It's really helpful. So far when I used it, I've only started a few vehicles with it. It's definitely come out really good. Really performed well. This is spec from a Topdon tool. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.